Hello everyone. The question number 10, section 2 for 4 marks in SSC board examination 2026 came from trigonometry, which is 11th chapter. Many students has got little bit of confused while solving this problem. So let me explain you this problem in detail. First, let us see what is given part in this question. The given part is P equals to under root of 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. Then showing part, and is asking by using this one, we have to show that P plus 1 by P equals to 2 secant theta. So let us first write in detail what is given part for you. After if part will be considered as a given part, so given part is P equals to under root of 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta, right? And then finding part, show that we have to find show that P plus 1 by P equals to 2 secant theta. This we have to show. Okay, so in this problem I will take LHS and I will show RHS value. What is my LHS part? To prove this theorem, the LHS part is P, that is left hand side part is 1 P plus 1 by P e 1 by P. After simplifying this value, I have to get the result as 2 secant theta. Okay. To solve this problem, I want P value and also I want the value of 1 by P. It means I should, to solve this, to proceed this problem, I should have the value of P and should have the value of 1 by P. If these two values I have, then I can substitute, I can replace with the help in the place of P and 1 by P these values, and I will do simplification, then I will get the value of 2 secant theta. But in our question, P value is given. But what P value is given is in the terms of square root. So it will be a little bit of confused to substitute these values and to solve the problem, to proceed the problem. So what I will do in my first step, I will try to find out the value of P without any root. Okay, such that the simplification can be easy. So let us find out the value of first P. In the first case, case 1, I am finding the value of P. Finding value of P. Yes, to find out the value of P, let us take the given P value. What is given P value for me? And P equals to under root of 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. Why I am trying to find out the value of P? As the given P value is in having the root, and it will be difficult when we have some roots in numerator as well as in denominator. So I am trying to modify the value of P without any root. Let us try that whether we get or not. Okay, to proceed for this problem, let me multiply numerator and denominator with opposite sign with the same values, that is 1 plus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta in under root. Total will be in under root. I repeat the step again. The given part is 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. Why I am multiplying with 1 plus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta? Such that I can find out the value of P without any root. For that reason, I am multiplying the given value with 1 plus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Now one question will arise as why we have chosen 1 plus sine theta only, as in the given part of the trigonometric ratio, the denominator consists of 1 minus sine theta. So I am taking the same value with opposite symbol and multiplying numerator as well as denominator. Same reason I will mention here, multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 plus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Just you can write 1 plus sine theta is enough. Writing 1 plus sine theta is enough. Okay, now that equals to next step. Now 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. This can be written as 1 plus sine theta whole square, because the same value is repeating 2 times and both are in multiplication, divided by, if you observe the denominator part, the denominator part is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. The formula of this one is a square minus b square. The denominator, if you observe, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That the formula of a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, where a equal to you consider as 1 and b equals to you consider as sine theta, where the value of a is 1 and the value of b is sine theta. So as what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? We can consider this value as a and this value as b. Again this value as a and this value as b. So a minus b into a plus b. The formula of this one is a square minus b square. Now that equals to under root of 1 plus sine theta whole square, writing as it is, divided by, in the a can be replaced with 1 whole square, minus b can be replaced with sine theta whole square, or directly you can write sine square theta also. Now this root is belongs for numerator as well as for denominator. Let us separate it. Under root of 1 plus sine theta whole square by under root of 1 square value is 1. Sine theta whole square can be written as sine square theta. Now 2 root get cancelled. Then we remains with 1 plus sine theta by under root of 1 minus sine square theta. Formula is 1 minus sine square theta formula I can write as cos square theta. What is the reason for writing that? We have one identity depending on sine theta and cos theta. What is that identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this I want the value of 1 minus sine square theta. So sending this sine square theta there, we get cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So wherever 1 minus sine square theta is there in the problem, I can substitute with cos square theta. As here I got 1 minus sine square theta, so in the place of this one I am writing cos square theta. Right? Now that equals to 1 plus sine theta by this 2 and root get cancelled, whole divided by cos theta. So this is the value of p. Still I am trying to find out the value of p. Now p equals to I got as 1 plus sine theta by cos theta I got. Okay, if you want you can separate 1 by cos theta and sine theta by cos theta also, but no need. Here we got the value of p. So according to my problem, I should get the value of p and I have to find out the value of 1 by p. Now if you observe the value of p, what is given for me, it is in the root, but when I simplify the problem for p, I got the value of p without any root. So now easily it will be very easy for simplification. Now as I got the value of p, let me find out the value of 1 by p. Now finding value of 1 by p. How to find out the value of 1 by p? It will be reciprocal of p. Reciprocal of p is nothing but the reverse. So numerator will be changes to denominator and denominator will be changes to numerator. That is cos theta by 1 plus sine theta. This is the value of 1 by p. You got the value of p and also you got the value of 1 by p. P value I got as 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. 1 by p I got as cos theta by 1 plus sine theta. Once you got the p value and 1 by p value, take the help of LHS. What is LHS? P plus 1 by p. Now I will replace the p value and 1 by p values. In LHS I will represent the values of p and 1 by p. So what is the value of what is given LHS for me? LHS is p plus 1 by p. Let us substitute the value of p. P what I have got here? P. Where is the value of p is here? I got 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. So p in the place of p I will write as 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus what is the value of 1 by p I got? Here I got 1 by p value as cos theta by 1 plus sine theta. Since substitute p comma 1 by p values in LHS. Now if you observe this problem, how can I proceed for this problem is I will go with the LCM. As in the denominators we have cos theta and 1 plus sin theta. If I take out the LCM of these two, I will get the cos theta into 1 plus sin theta will be the LCM. Now cos theta get cancelled. I remain with 1 plus sin theta. So this numerator should be multiplied with 1 plus sin theta. Now 1 plus sin theta get cancelled, remains with cos theta. So this numerator can be multiplied with cos theta. Now multiply 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta, both are repeating twice. So I can write this one as 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta into cos theta is repeating 2 times. So I can write as cos square theta. Hope you understand this step, but let me explain you once again. In denominators we have cos theta and 1 plus sin theta. So the LCM of cos theta and 1 plus sin theta is cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta get cancelled. You remains with 1 plus sin theta. Taking this 1 plus sin theta and multiplying numerator of first fraction. Now in this, if you observe the second fraction, 1 plus sin theta get cancelled. You remains with the cos theta. So the numerator of cos theta should be multiplied with the cos theta. So after multiplication, 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole square, plus as it is cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now let me expand this in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? We have a formula as a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can also write a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a square means what you will get as 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into b value is sin theta plus b square. B square means you can take as sin square theta, and remaining cos square theta we are writing as it is, whole divided by this cos theta into 1 plus sin theta I will write as it is for a moment. Now 1 square, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 into sin theta is 2 sin theta plus sin square theta I am writing as it is plus cos square theta I am writing as it is, whole divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. For a moment I wrote like that only. Now 1 plus 2 sin theta plus, what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? By identity we know that the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equals to 1. So wherever I got sin square theta plus cos square theta, I replace with the 1, whole divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now 1 plus 1 you will get as 2 plus 2 sin theta whole divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now in numerator you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, you remains with 1 plus 2 already we got common, you remains with sin theta whole divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Denominator part we wrote like that. In numerator we have 1 plus sin theta, in denominator we have 1 plus sin theta. Both get cancelled. Then you remains with 2 by cos theta, which can be written as 2 into 1 by cos theta. 2 into 1 by cos theta is the reciprocal of secant theta. So in the place of cos theta I can write as secant theta. So that equals to 2 secant theta. This is the value of p plus 1 by p, which he said to show. I have shown the same value, p plus 1 by p is equals to 2 secant theta. So hope you understand this problem perfectly. Okay, so in my coming next videos I am going to explain you the next question. Was the next question we have in the next video will be question number 11 of section 2. I am going to explain. Okay, right. Thank you.